Well, folks, today is going to be an epic day. We are raising Old Glory in serious fashion. Lucky to be able to borrow these trucks from work. Old Mr. Chadwick here is behind the camera. We're going to set that pole base. We're going to drill a 36-inch hole, and then we've got a 40-foot flagpole with a 6 by 12-foot flag to raise. So we've got our work cut out for us this morning. Do a little auger in here, and we're going to set Old Glory. So let's get to it. I'm super excited about this. This has been months and months in the works. We've got Dr. Chad up at the controls up there, and we're about to start augering a pretty little hole. We got to go down 6 feet. Our base is 6'6", so we want to go down in the ground 6 feet, and then we'll have 6 inches above the ground so we can weed whack around. And we're going to put all our spoil on there so we can clean that up and make it nice and clean after. Now that is a drill bit and a half, isn't it? Just eating the earth. Makes short work of it, doesn't it? Like pulling out a dirt apple core. Then he'll take it over to the he'll take it over to the tarp over there, give it a little shake. That way there we can keep it all contained on the tarp, not make a mess. Get most of it on there, keep the bulk of it on it. A little dirt dance. While he's shaking out, I'll show you what we did in that first one. So we're probably close to 4 feet deep right there so far. Beautiful thing about being able to do this down here in Lower Alabama is we don't have any rocks to deal with. Up in New England, this would be nothing but good old ground potatoes. Okay, we got to line Chad up, make sure he's straight. You're good that way, looking good. Okay, we might be down in Bulgaria right now. Some of these holes we drill for these sports lights are 18, 20 feet deep. It's crazy. The old pine handle, I gotta shovel all that after. Hey, how are we looking depth-wise here? We got the old taperoo down in here. Wow, that high part's only, man, it looks like we're in China. But it's what, 3'8"? So that high spot, that low spot, we're at 5 feet. Another 1.5 feet. Looks like we're in China, but we got a long way to go. Sounds like the ground's pretty hard in there. All right, let's stand back. While he's shaking out, we'll check our depth again. Oh yeah, she's deep. Dang, a little bit deeper. Golly, that's crazy. So that's about 5 foot 10. So we just got to go a little bit more. I think we'll just clean it out and we'll be good. We're going to call that good. Well, what we'll do is we'll clean that out. We'll tamp that all down with the base. I think we'll be fine. We're at like 5'6" to the grass. Yeah, let's go a little deeper. I'd rather have just like 4 inches, just enough to wacky weed around. So we're gonna go a little bit deeper. We're not quite there yet. We're 5'6". I wanna be 6 foot. So we're gonna get 6 more inches in here. There you go. Yep. We'll call that good. No matter what it is, it's gonna be good. Getting into some red dirt there. That's why it was getting so hard. Oh yeah, we're deep. We are deep, 6'4". We're gonna be right at grade. Yeah, that's good. Okay guys, we're at a good depth. We're gonna take this bit off of here, then we'll get the base, set that on there, kind of compact it with the weight of the base a little bit, and then we'll adjust the height as needed. We might be a little bit too deep right now, but I think we're in really good shape. So we just gotta take this bit off and then swap-a-roni and get ready to set this base. We'll see in a sec as we set the base here. We're gonna see if we can set this big kielbasa in the ground here, see what we look like. It's a 6,000 pound concrete kielbasa. It's incredible how strong that rope is. That's a thing of beauty. Have to put a little dirt under it, I think. It's a little too low. We gotta bring it up about 4 inches. We are good. Okay guys, we're level in both directions. We're good to go. We're gonna backfill it, tamp it all in good, and then we will set the pole. So we'll see you in a little bit. Actually, in a second, we'll be setting this pole. Okay guys. We're all backfilled, ready to set the old pole. Chad's got it all rigged up, ready to rock and roll. And I want to just show you the contraption that I made here. Went to the Home Depot, got a stainless steel pulley, a little clevis shackle thingy, 3/8 stainless eye bolt, stainless washers, and I drilled a hole in there. Just gonna put that in there. I got a big Kahuna washer for the other side. Lock washer, flat washer, and nut. So that's it. And we're just gonna sock this in here, tighten her all up. We got the rope, we'll slide the rope through the pulley. We'll make the ends up when we get down below, and then we can raise Old Glory. Let's do this. We got Mr. Bojangles. This is gonna be pretty epic. Be able to see our flag from far and wide. Okay, now we just gotta rig this thing up so that it picks it up vertically. Chad has a rig where it's underneath. We're just using a scrap lightning arrestor from the top of a concrete pole. Put that in there, and that holds that choker on the bottom so we can lift this thing vertical. It's kind of dinosaurish, but it works. So we got our rig on the bottom that we just showed you. Comes up, this sling comes up, a little half hitch right here. That comes up, we got a basket here, and we'll hook the crane right to here. And then we're gonna stand her up. And here we go. Trina didn't think it was gonna be very tall. We'll see what she thinks when it's standing upright. It's freaking awesome. I love it. Whoa! Getting away. Here we go. Woohoo! We got it now. We got three of the four. We just got to get our crisscross piece out of there to put the third one in. Beautiful. Thing of beauty, guys. All right, Chad, we're good, brother. Ready, Franny? Well, friends, what do you think? That is a flagpole. My Pepe would be so proud to see this flagpole. All right, we're gonna finish tightening this thing down, and then we'll get Old Glory, and we'll do an official raising. All right, guys, we'll see you in a second. Shut it off. Yeah. Well, guys, it's time. So we got this beautiful flag from Allegiance Flag Supply in Charleston, South Carolina. So handmade in Charleston, actually one of our favorite cities to visit. And we'll be up there this coming week. But let's get Old Glory up here. This is epic. You ready, Chad?
I'm ready.
Look at this, is a beautiful flag. You gonna hold that in? I'll do the clipperoos. Look at this. Look at this. This thing is beautiful. The construction of this thing. No made in Chinesium flag here, baby. Look at that. That's nice. Here we go. Oh, glory. Got our swivels. Now that is a flagpole, kids. I love it. A little twangled here. Come on. Get up there. Don't let it touch the ground. There we go. Here we go. Look at Old Glory flying proud. I love it. Thanks, Chad, for the help. Look at that, baby. America. Let's take a long shot look. She twisted around the other way. Come on. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Love it. Thanks, guys, for tuning in to our happy little flag raising here. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and we're super excited to get it done. Love it. Now we just got to put a beacon up there. But I'm going to put a light on the bottom, basically a couple of them shining up, so we can keep Old Glory illuminated at night. It's a thing of beauty. Thanks all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. America. Love it.
Blowing now.
Love it.